All right, this is Mr. Davis, and today we're going to be focusing on one-word sentences. So in your first box, what is it? A one-word sentence. Rules and examples. Well, first of all, it must be a single word. All right, and you can see right there, I'm kind of giving you an example here of a single word sentence. It must convey a complete idea or make sense within context. So when you look at the surrounding sentences, they should somewhat be setting up this single word sentence, and the single word sentence should convey a complete idea. Up here we have this example with all right. That wouldn't make sense without this little sentence coming before. Third rule, these single word sentences should be used for dramatic effect, questions, both asking and answering questions, or effectively to set up counterclaims. And I'm going to show you some examples of how to do these various things. In this first example, it says, many people rightly think that Hamlet was a coward. Why? Well, to know that, you must look at the story. So we've got this single word sentence right here. Why? It follows all three words. First of all, it's just a single word. Secondly, it conveys a complete idea within the context. It starts with a statement and then it kind of questions why and then it answers that question. So this does make sense here. It's a complete idea. Finally, this is an example of somebody using a single word sentence to ask a question that kind of just lends a flow to the writing. I want you to take a moment and ponder what is wrong with this example. I'll give you a second to read. So in this example, we have the first rule being followed. We have a single word here, right? But then when we look at rule number 2 about conveying a complete idea, we see that this does not convey a complete idea, That is not a complete idea. In the previous example with why, it was a complete idea questioning that led to the next sentence.